All right, here we have it. So if you guys can see, look at the razor. They gave you an actual trimmer, a razor trimmer. This is pretty unique because I don't see this with a kit like this. I always see it by itself. And of course, they gave you another trimmer here. But this one actually has 3 different blade sizes. So you can actually trim it the different sizes you want. And then they give you a nose trimmer too. If you just, just stick this to your nose pretty much and you trim it through there. Now, when I saw this, this is a plus. So these are little brushes. So you could use this to put in some more actually gel to your head or any kind of like fluids that you want, or even wash your face with it. Look at this. So this is perfect. The brittles are real soft. So this is going to be able to go to your face. Now I'm going to use this to put some more shaving cream. So you can put some shaving cream all over, spread it out. And then we're going to use a trimmer to actually trim some of the corners to give you a cleaner. Now, if you guys notice, look how many heads you get for the blades, all right? You get multiple heads. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heads in there. You guys can see it. 8 unbelievable heads that they have. Compared to my old one, I'm going to bring the old one. Look at this. Compared to this one, they only give you 5. Now, see, it has little springs. Every single one has springs. And they all open up. You can replace the blades, right? Easy to replace. They're universal blades. On and off button, it's underneath here. 90% charge right now. So we got plenty of charge to go to. The charging station is here. They also give you the cable for it. And it's a unique USB type A to a unique connection, all right? So make sure you don't lose this. This one comes in its own base too. So if you want to keep it by the shower head, you can keep it by the shower so it could keep draining it. And it's waterproof, all right? Not all the way submergible. It's waterproof, all right? Meaning that water could splash on it. You could dip on it. We're going to trim it down just a little bit. I do need some shaving. If you guys can see the corners. So I'm going to shave myself. And I'm going to trim the beard first. I'm going to start with the beard first. And all right, we're going to shave the head now. And we're going to water it down first. Make sure you water it down. Very important, or you're going to get burns, all right? This is where the brush comes in too. If you want a little extra massage on it, you can do that. Get that little nice soft area, especially in places you can't reach. I like to wet it first, before I start it all the time, just in case there's some hair clog. And then turn it on, let the magic happen. You can see it working. Nice and clean. This thing shaves everywhere with one stroke. You don't really have to do a lot of work for it. So one stroke saves the whole thing. Make it nice and shiny. You could come back later and make it shinier by putting wax on this. All right, very important. This is the actual brush I have with it. I bought it with it. It has all the units in there. And let me show you mine that I actually use separate. So I use it to not only to put some soap on me, or not only to put the actual shaving cream, but also to clean my face. So I use this one in particular, and this one's bulkier. This one's easier to use, if you guys can see that. I have to buy a whole unit, when this one, it's all built in there here. All right, one last important thing, shaving. So I like to shave with an actual razor. So I like to make sure that I wet first underneath. Get a little bit of shaving cream. I like to spread it all around. I do this by hand because I enjoy it. So overall, these are very useful, especially if you're going to travel or take them with you in places. These are very handy. I like this, that it has a big display and easy to charge, easy to use. I like the 6-in-1. It's very useful. I use some of the stuff today, if you guys can see, as a demo, but they're pretty good. I like the shaving it did and all that stuff in the corners. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.